I'm going to decorate with my salmon slices. Guys, I don't have shrimps or prawn, so I decided to put salmon slices on the top. Vietnamese, they always use prawn or shrimps. But I don't have, so I make a twist. I mix with salmon slices. Ito siya, guys. My mango green salad or insaladang mangga with salmon slices. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy Nelia Creasey. Guys, ang video natin today, maggagawa tayo ng insaladang mangga. Meron akong mangga dito. Balatan muna natin siya ng bonggang-bongga. Insaladang mangga with salmon slices. Yan. Kakainan natin ito ng rellenong bangus. O diba guys? Ang ating insaladang mangga ay mayroong combination ng Thai, ng Philippine, at saka ng Vietnamese. Tingnan natin guys kung saan ba masarap. Slice. Pwede rin ito is-slice ng cubes. But I'm going to slice this ito pahaba. Lamasin muna natin siya guys ng salt. Salt first. Mix. Only a little bit of salt. Half teaspoon. Ganon guys. Ihanda na natin ang ating sauce. I'm going to prepare my sauce guys. Lime. 1 whole of lime. Or lemon. Or calamansi, it's okay. Ayan na guys. I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. We don't have to put a lot of fish sauce because we have shrimp paste there. Or bagoong alamang. I'm going to mix now my shrimp paste. Spicy. You can use bird eye chili. Ihalo na natin to guys. Mix. Taste guys if it's enough fish sauce, enough lemon or lime. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix again. Then I'm going to prepare my bowl for my mango salad. Going to transfer it here. Remember guys, I marinated salt a while ago. I wanna taste. It's not bad. Now I am going to mix my pineapple slices, tomatoes, and cucumber. Mix. Friends, I am going to mix my shallots in here. But you can also use scallion or white onions. I love using shallots. Now I'm going to mix my sauce in here. I'm rolling. Mix. Or you can mix it with your hand if you have gloves. You can add some more fish sauce if it's not enough, but for me it's already enough. Perfect. I'm going to add a little bit of raisin. Wag lang madami guys. This is optional. But for me, I love putting raisin kasi the raisin is sweet. So I love it when it's a little bit sweet of my mango salad. And this is enough. Ready. Last but not the least, I have to put my toasted sesame seeds. Look. Look at that guys. If you want to put coriander leaves, I don't have coriander leaves anymore, only a little bit. Or mint leaves, or dill or basil leaves. You can do it. This is my mango salad. May insaladang mangga. Guys, ito na ang aking rellenong bangos. Ilalagay ko na ang aking mangga, may mango salad. At kainin na natin to guys. Baka kainin pa ng iba. Look at that guys. Look at this guys. My rellenong bangos and my green mango salad or insaladang mangga. Thank you for watching. Bye!